Greetings. In today's lesson, I want us to look at number sentences. So, the question here says, how fast can you calculate the following? So, 4 plus 2, what do you think it's going to be? So, on my side, I think 4 plus 2 is going to be a 6. Oh, my 6 is not good looking. So, let me just 6. There we go. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 6 plus that is equal to 11. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 8 plus 6, let me see. Okay, it's 14. 9 plus 9 is equal to, I think the answer is 18. How did I do that? I just put the other number in my mind and then I have the other number in my fingers. So for example, I have 4 in my mind, 2 with my fingers, so I'm going to say 5, 6. If I have 7 in my mind, I'm going to say 8. If I have 7 in my mind, 5 fingers in my hands, I'm going to say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how fast you can calculate that. So now I want us to look at another way of rewriting this, or of dealing with number sentences, but this is more like rewriting the sums by swapping the numbers. So this can also be known as what we call equivalence, or equivalence, or we can say these numbers are equivalent to each other. So here are the examples down here. So number 1 says, write addition sums for the following. We have done the first example for you, so they gave us an example, but 3 plus 5 is the same as us saying 5 plus 3. Okay, so if you say 3 plus 5, it means that you're going to add, or you're gonna get an 8. What do you get when you say 5 plus 3? Sorry, you get an 8. So it means that that and that, they are equivalent to each other. So B says, actually it doesn't say anything, so we're supposed to work it out. So we can see this is a 2, so it means that that's a 2, and then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me count. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a 7 there. So I'm going to say 2 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 2. So what do I get when I say 7 plus 2? 7, 8, 9. So the answer there is 9. The answer there is 9. Okay, so what is needed is these 2 only. So C says we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have a 4, and then we have 1, 2, 3. So here we have a 3. So now down here we have, let me see, we have a 3, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have a 4. So here we can say 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4, and then you are done. Okay, so what if there are brackets? So this is where you come and introduce BODMAS again. So BODMAS is the mathematical rule. So when you introduce BODMAS, so let me write it down. BODMAS. First thing first, you work out with the brackets. So we have that. Let me see down here if I have. Yes, I do. So it's 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 inside the bracket plus, let me see, 1. What do? You start off with the bracket. So if you say 3 plus 2, what do you get? You get a 5. So you're gonna write your 5 there plus that 1. So it's plus the 1, and then you get your answer as 6, and you're done. So that plus that is 6. So they kept on saying that this is the same as us saying 3 plus 2 plus 1 inside a bracket. So it means that this is the same as us saying 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? Let's confirm. So we can have a 3 here, plus 2 plus that is gonna be a 3, and then we're gonna say that plus that, the answer is going to be a 6, and it means that that is correct. Okay, so let's see B. It is 31 plus 26 plus 19 is the same as 31 plus 26 plus 19. So let's count. So 31 plus 26, the answer is going to be a 57 plus 19. 57 plus 19, what can you do? You can say that, okay. So, okay, let me just count 19. So we're gonna have 7 plus that. It's simply going to be a the answer here is 6. Gotta carry 1, that plus that, 7, and then it means that that is equal to 76, which is the same as us saying that plus that is that, which is also equal to 76. But let's confirm. So we can simply say 31, okay, 31 plus this plus that is equal to 30. Okay, it's not 30, it's 40, 45. So we can say 31 plus 45 is equal to, so that plus that is 6, that plus that is 7. So the answer is 76, and you're done with that. So jumping to C says 51 plus into brackets 13 plus 49 is equal to which is the same as 51 plus 13 plus 49. Let's see if this is correct. So 51 plus that, so let's write 51 plus this is equal to, there's going to be a 2 there, and then we have a 5, but then we have a carry 1, which is going to be a 62. So 51 plus 62 is equal to this plus that, that plus that. So this plus that is equal to 3, that plus that is 11. So the answer is 113. So you have your 113 there. This is the same as us saying that plus that. So let's see. We have 51 plus 13, which is equal to 64 plus 49. And then you're going to say that plus that, that plus that. So let's see, 9 plus 4 is equal to 3. We have 1 recurring there. 4 plus that is equal to 10. 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. And you are done. So it means that that is also going to be a 113. I hope this made sense.